What's going on, family of the Jacks? Today, I'm bringing out another episode. We're gonna do this rear hub on this Nissan Altima. So, yeah, so you're gonna need a 19 socket to take that one off right there, and then at the bottom one, you're gonna need a wrench, a 19 wrench to take that one off at the bottom. The one I'm pointing at right now. So as I'm gonna flip this camera back around, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about right here. All right. So you're gonna need a 19 to take off that caliper. So I'm grabbing this socket right now to show y'all what you're gonna have to do. So the socket can fit on the top, right? Boom, to take that one off. Now you're gonna need this wrench right here to take the bottom one off. Cause you can't get that top one. You can get the top one off with a wrench too, but the bottom one better. So yeah, so then when you remove them two 19 bolts right there, boom, I'm just showing you how to take it off, boom. And then you're gonna place this caliper up there to the top. Like, make sure you don't pinch the holes and the lines or flex it too much, but just put it right there where I put it at. And after that, it's 4 bolts behind it. They're 19 bolts. They're 19 millimeter bolts, whatever. So I'm gonna show y'all, it's 4 of them back here. I'm just trying to find my hands, find the bolt. So excuse me. So yeah, it's one right there. It's 4 of them. As you can see, it's two to the top, 2 to the bottom. So yeah, I'm just make sure I'm trying to explain this right to y'all guys. I'm touching them back there, feel for them. And then also in the middle, there ain't nothing but a plastic cap. You can pop that cap out and film little jacks. Now if this rotor too hard to come off, just like that, right there. Loosen it up. Let's be able to take it off. Whatever, break this. Sit the roller to the side. And look, guys, and there go your hub. Come on, man. Family of the Jacks. And there go your hub right here. So now we just got to take the 4 bolts off in the back. And this hub should just come off quick and smooth and easy. All right. Sometimes, guys, once you take out all the 17 bolts in the back there, just want to hit this right here. It should come out just like that. And if it don't come out with a little bit of taps, hit on it just a little bit harder so you make sure that it'll come out. And see, it just came out just like that right there. And what you want to do is next, guys, is put your wire brush, or if you got a wire brush on your drill, clean the inside of it, get all that rust and all that gunk that done built up around that. Even go up around the whole tight circle with the wire brush. You know what I mean? Make sure you get it all nice and good. Make sure it's all nice and good and clean. All at the top too, as well. So the surface look nice and clean to me right now. Due to the wire brush, got everything out of it, all that rust, that gunk that was building up in there. So what I'm doing now is just looking around and making sure that it's all good. And so now what I'm finna do now is going to grab this brake cleaner. I don't know why I set this thing up, but man, hold on, let me get my butt up. All right, I grabbed it now. So what I'm now finna do is I'm finna go ahead and move these tools out the way because I don't want no brake liquid or nothing falling on my tools, resting out my tools and all that bull crap, whatever. So now I'm finna hit it with this brake cleaner, spray all the components, the brakes, everything up on there, get everything right. There we go, spray all that. Spray. Keep on cleaning all the opponents. You want to make sure you spray the springs, the parking brake shoes. You want to spray everything that you can spray to make sure that it's clean back in the back. Yes, sir. Make sure it's nice and clean. And also, don't forget about that rotor, too. So, yeah, so I'm going to turn around now And I'm finna hit that rotor real quick for y'all, real quick. Like, make sure ain't no brake dust in there. Alright, I'm gonna take this brake cleaner, go on and get to work. I'm gonna spray all in there, make sure it's cleaned up. Get it right, get it right, get it right. Come on now. Alright. Boom. Check that out. Get in the groove. Come on. Let's go. Alright. So now that's nice and clean. We'll let that dry up right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get in this box. Look, the box tell y'all guys, do not use an air gun. Use a torque wrench, please. Guys, don't be stupid and use a freaking air wrench or a freaking air gun to try to tighten this up. Specifically, guys, it says use a torque wrench. Alright, so here's a new hub right here, guys. As you can see, about to install in the car. Bolts is on there, guys. As you can see, the bolts back there, they're on there, and they're nice and snug and tight back there, guys. I showed y'all in the first video. So now the new hub is on there, guys. And so what I like to do, guys, is since the hub is all new, I'm gonna spray it over some brake cleaner again. Hit it with some more brake cleaner. Clean it all the way around. Just clean it around right here. Get a nice clean coat right now. Come back with my towel. Clean it up pretty good, like, you know. After that, I'm gonna put some grease on there, guys. Just a little bit, guys, for the rotor. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, just put some light grease around here. So let's put some grease around now. My finger. This right here is gonna help the if you got the spray on silicone grease, it don't matter. This right here just help the rotor from stop sticking on to the new, if you know what I mean, guys. You know what I mean. So I'm a mechanic out there. This right here just gonna prevent it from like sticking on. Put some around there too as well. Don't be shy with it. Just like that right there, guys. After that's nice and secure right there, guys. Go and take the rotor and put them back. So then I'm gonna try to put this on here with one hand, guys. This rotor. Yep, you want the rotor to go on there just like that right there, guys. Perfect. Just like that right there, guys. Perfect. It's on there nice and snug. Perfect, guys. Nissan Altima, guys. So, guys, all you do now is put back on your 19 bolts right here, guys. 19 bolt right here somewhere. Somewhere right here. 19 bolt right here. Just put them back on there, guys. Right here. Caliper is now back on. Also, guys, I did take off this little bracket right here for the ASB, for the ABS. You see this? I took off this little bracket right here, guys. It's a little 10 millimeter, and yeah, and make sure you clean your ABS up with some brake cleaner. Just spray it, and good to go. And after that, you'll be all good to go. So you can get more room back there in the back.